guys, Trudy here at Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I want to do tricks of the trade again. I know I slacked off a little bit about that, but this is an awesome trick to be using out in the field. Now, we all love the sludge suckers. You can tell we've used theirs quite a bit. And they come with a 20-foot hose, which is good for most scenarios, but not always. So what we have done on ours is we use these Banjo Camlocks. And that way you can add footage to your hose length without having a long piece of hose to use all the time. So we have a couple sections in our rig. So if we need 40 foot, we just add another section and we won't have to worry about all the bulky storage. So that will save you room. If you need extra hose, you have it. If you don't, it's just sitting in your truck waiting to be used for the next time. These Banjos are awesome. Look at that, look how easy this is to use. Boom, boom. We're ready to go. And I just added 40 foot of hose onto my sludge sucker. Okay, you guys stay humble and hustle hard, and have a great wash day.